We are happy to see you all back here at Wealthy Coin. Updates on the SHIB today. The rate of burns in Shiba Inu quadruples. Prepare yourself, he said. After its humble beginnings as a community-based meme coin, Shiba Inu blossomed into a cryptocurrency project worth billions. As a token to test out different kinds of community governance, it was created and released on the Ethereum network in August 2020. SHIB prices spiked by about 300% in March 2021. Members of the Shiba Inu community are very committed to the initiative, so it's reasonable to assume that the community governance experiment was fruitful. For crypto fans and aficionados who bought SHIB tokens, it has been a very profitable token with significant highs. The current SHIB news will be discussed in this video. The Shiba Inu's metabolic rate increases by 1,550,000. Prepare yourself, he said. For the most recent updates on Shiba Inu forecasts and expert analysis, be sure to subscribe, share, and give the video a big thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. The meme cryptocurrency's primary creator, Satoshi Kusama, has confirmed that burns will be an option. Additionally, the chief developer of SHIB mentioned that the burns are from the game period, making reference to the SHIB strategy card game SHIB Eternity. Additionally, Kusama tweeted that after the blockchain version of SHIB Eternity is ready, more facts will be revealed that explain why the game is powerful, tough, and fantastic for SHIB holders. According to Kusama, the game could make SHIB burning easier. There was a token burn of over 8 million SHIB on September 20th. The goal of the crypto burns is to make the token more valuable by reducing its supply and circulation. A wallet address is only good for receiving tokens and cannot be used for any other transactions. On September 22, 2022, SHIB was up 346% at 109 cents, as reported by CoinMarketCap. SHIB Eternity, despite the coin's recent negative trend, has passed testing in Vietnam and is now available on Google Play and the App Store in Australia. According to a SHIB, the current burn trend was launched by David Gokhshtein, a former Republican candidate for US Congress. SHIB is launching a presence in the metaverse. The metaverse, an ideal place for the crypto community of the SHIB army to settle down. The SHIB. This section of the metaverse was created in collaboration between the metaverse and the virtual reality business, the Third Floor. TTF. The SHIB. By actively listening to the SHIB community, the metaverse has also been informing TTF of their desires for their metaverse, one of the tokens trying to recover from a bad weekend when its price dropped below the 10 cents mark is Shiba Inu. Belonging to the top meme coins, the digital asset is riding high on solid fundamentals, but it could be slowed down by macroeconomic concerns. Over the weekend, the whole Shiba Inu ecosystem got a major fundamental boost. Just a few days after hitting the Apple App Store, Shiba Eternity made its way to Android users in Australia last weekend. After its initial debut in Vietnam, the trading card game quickly became a smash hit there. Developer Satoshi Kusama of Shiba Inu has stated that Australia will be the last country to test the game before it goes global. Although the game has been released, along with other currencies, Shiba Inu had a substantial decline. Since the Ethereum merging and the Federal Reserve announced higher than expected inflation, the asset's price has fallen 8.78. Just in the last week, SHIB had a decline of 14. The entire crypto market has been profoundly impacted by the inflation figures released by the Fed. Among large-cap coins, SHIB has felt the market's impact the most. A general decline occurred over the weekend in the cryptocurrency market, and since then, recovery has been sluggish. The primary reason for this is that this week the Federal Reserve is scheduled to provide recommendations about interest rate hikes. Wednesday is when the FOMC is likely to announce the quarterly interest rate figures. Interest rates are likely to increase to 75 basis points due to significantly greater inflation compared to previous week. Mike McClone, a senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence, recently predicted that the Federal Reserve will continue raising interest rates at their current pace. That being said, the cryptocurrency market seems to be preparing its investors for a protracted downturn. At this time, the price outlook for SHIB is not very encouraging. The asset's current price is lower than its moving average indications, which span from 0.1068 for the 10-day May to 0.1090 for the 200-day May. There is a signal when the MACD moving average convergence divergence is negative. The Shiba Inu breed's principal creator. Many new initiatives are coming to the ecosystem soon. and Satoshi Kusama has informed the community about them. The famous coder informed his followers of the changes with a string of tweets from his official account. Kusama claims that Shiba Inu has finally decided to reveal all of the details about its long-awaited game. Shiba Eternity. Game developer Shiba Eternity has reportedly had positive results from testing in Vietnam. Still, Kusama dropped hints that this Shiba Inu game will be getting one last Australian test run. You can now get Shiba Eternity from the country's Play Store. Powerful, difficult, and fantastic for SHIB and Shibashi holders. That is what he says Shiba Eternity is. New methods to improve SHIB burning were also announced by the developer. When the blockchain version of Shiba Eternity is released, Kusama thinks it could make SHIB burning easier. Although Shibarium Layer 2 crypto protocol doesn't exactly ring a bell, when you think of a cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu enthusiasts are making every effort to spread the word. With the release of Shibarium just around the corner, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is flourishing. Discuss the future plans and roadmap of SHIB that incorporate Shibarium. The native blockchain of the Shiba Inu is known for its slow speed and hefty fees. This project is said to launch in the third quarter of 2022 to address these issues. Despite the lack of official confirmation, SHIB followers continue to speculate that Shibarium will raise their burn rate. A built-in mechanism for crypto holders to burn tokens and withdraw them from circulation will likely be available in Shibarium. Sending tokens to a wallet that can receive them, but not release them, is called burning, and doing so permanently eliminates access to the tokens. Occasionally, crypto projects will burn their own tokens, as this practice has the effect of increasing their value due to the laws of supply and demand. More than that, Shibarium will probably burn some Shiba Inu tokens using a portion of the small transaction fees that holders pay. In the background, the Shiba Inu crew is putting in a lot of time and effort to release the Shibarium before the third quarter of this year comes to a close. A public testnet phase for Shibarium has already been completed with success, and developers at Shiba Inu have confirmed that the private launch of Shibarium during the alpha testnet phase was also successful. In preparation for Shibarium's official release, some of the foundational tools are still in development, including a wallet tool. A Twitter message from the Shiba Inu team states, "No dates for Shibarium have been posted or authorized for release, putting an end to recent rumors on when the game may premiere." Incorporating the most effective visual representation approach, the team has introduced concept artworks as part of SHIB the Metaverse's development. According to the group, this artistic component is typically employed in film and video games to convey a predetermined narrative and evoke intense emotional responses from viewers. The SHIB development team found that concept art is the most useful tool for establishing a shared vision for a project, or, in this instance, a new hub. A little while ago, launched on SHIB the Metaverse, Rocket Pond was the initial concept illustration. The team announced today that SHIB the Metaverse now has additional colorful concept artwork for community members to review and provide feedback on. Someone tweeted, "Woof, we now have access to yet another stunning piece of colored concept art. This time, SHIB the Metaverse shines a light on Rocket Pond. We can't wait to hear what you have to say." For the SHIB Army, this center will be the starting point of an exciting adventure. Studio is offering land for sale. Rocket Pond is described by, according to the announcement. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.